Hello friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. I'm showing you the second demo of my Inalsa stand mixer, and in this demo we are going to make the yummy banana loaf cake. A very lovely recipe, and one by one I will show you what ingredients are going. Let us first add in this. These are the bananas that I have, which have gone really black, and they are perfect for this recipe. For any banana cake, this is perfect recipe. I have already got a tin lined here, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to use this tin. Since I'm making banana loaf cake, then I would like to use this tin over here. Okay, this tin. Peel this banana. See, it's not so bad. It's quite good. Beat the bananas. So let's lock this gorgeous gadget here, and it's whipping. So I'm adding here half cup brown sugar, and I'm also adding half cup powdered sugar to this. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use plain white sugar instead. I've stopped this. We'll put this up and we will scoop everything. After this, we need to add in this half cup salted butter. Okay. Now what happens in this Inalsa bowl when it is whipping, you can see the sides here. I'll show you. This side here, all the flour goes and sticks to this side here. So what you have to do is, time to time, you need to scoop with your spatula. If you don't do that, the dry sugar and flour will be sitting, which I noticed yesterday while baking. I told you, more and more food, flavor, color and celebration is in for a celebration. Okay, so मैं हिंदी में बोल देती हूँ. क्या होता है, सूखा मैदे का पाउडर, शक्कर, वो जो नीचे जो गैप है, एक स्पेस है नीचे बॉटम, बोल के बॉटम में, मेरे ख्याल से ये नीचे तक नहीं जाता है, तो बोल के बॉटम में चिपक जाता है, तो आपको बार बार स्पैटुला से स्कूप करना पड़ता है. ये एक इसकी ड्रॉबैक है. अदरवाइज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इट्स टू गुड. We are again beating. We have to beat till that brown sugar melts. So we need half cup butter, salted. I'll put it in this. Just correcting my mistake. I'm not going to take so much butter. I'm going to take 1/4 cup butter and 1/4 cup oil. So I'm going to add only half of this butter to this batter. So add it. I've added 1/4 cup butter, and I'm adding 1/4 cup oil. 1/4 cup oil I've taken. Okay, let's whip now. Two eggs at room temperature. All right. let's break the eggs. Never break the egg directly into this bowl. Always break your eggs separately, one at a time. क्योंकि अगर कोई खराब अंडा है तो आपको इधर ही दिख जाएगा. ठीक है, तो हम एक डाल रहे हैं और एक और ब्रेक कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो हमने 2 अंडे डाल दिए. ओके, सॉरी. नाउ वी नीड टू ऐड इन दिस we need to bring in dry ingredients together. So I've taken half cup almond flour and I have taken half cup all-purpose flour. If you don't want to take almond flour, then you can take another half cup all-purpose flour for this cake. Okay. Exactly half. To this we will add half teaspoon. I'm adding baking powder. Adding another half teaspoon baking soda. I've taken equal. We have already used salted butter. So we don't need to add any salt. We will sieve this dry mixture. Add this also. And this whole thing. So in total we have taken 1 cup flour. भी हो गया, ड्राई भी हो गया, ओवन भी गर्म हो गया. ओके, इसकी लाइनिंग कर लेंगे हम. We'll just ensure that everything is getting whipped. Nothing is sitting at the bottom. Bismillah. Here friends, this is done. I have lined the loaf pan and a batter also. Now we'll quickly pour it into this. Our delicious overripe leftover banana cake is ready, and my second part 2 demo of this stand mixer in Alsa Experto also is done. It's an excellent mixer and definitely you should have if you are very fond of baking. And please note, this is not a promotional video. Okay, I have purchased this with my own money for my own personal use. Oven is pretty hot here. We are going to keep this at 180 degree, and this will take around, say, again as I tell you, it depends from oven to oven. I'm going to bake this for at least 30 to 50 minutes. I'm using Morphy Richards 52 RCSS. You please check how your oven is and accordingly you decide the time. I forgot to dust the pan and I have directly added this. Let's see what happens. Alright, top it up with some walnuts. I'll quickly add. That's all I have. this time I'm not adding to my batter. I want to add it on the top of the batter. I'll quickly push this in the oven and I'll show it to you. Here friends, this is resting in the oven and see you in 30 to 45 minutes. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. As you can see, the yummy banana loaf, the yummy banana walnut loaf cake is ready. Baking time, I think 30 minutes I've taken. It's still baking actually. So I just wanted to show you this. Let's see. Let's see what's happening with the walnut bread cake. Into it. Let's loosen the side. Banana walnut. Let's check here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. You can see here, friends. Look at the color, it's hot. I'll place it back here. So this is our delicious walnut banana walnut bread cake, and again this is out of leftover bananas. Let's cut this and see, and let's taste it. Let's cut this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, I'm cutting this. I've cut the one slice. Let's cut the other one. Still very hot, but we should never cut the cake when it is hot, is the rule number one. We should allow it to cool. But then, you know, we are such greedy bunch that we do not have the patience to wait for it. So if you're not greedy like me, then please allow the cake to cool. Once it cools, it will cut really well. Okay, so we'll again cut the slice when it is a little cool. Meanwhile, let me show you how well the cake has baked. You must see. And look at it, it is so moist. And let me tell you, this is the perfect recipe for a leftover banana walnut loaf cake. Perfect recipe. I have been making this for ages. Alright, so you can just blindly follow my measurement. Ensure that your oven is well serviced and that you're using the lower rod to heat it. To make the cake, don't use both the rods, otherwise your cake will get spoiled from the top. Just see this. Yum. I've used Amul salted butter and I have used around 2 tablespoons. Oh no, 1/4 cup I have used, and I have used 1/4 cup oil. Oil keeps it real moist. Amul butter gives it a nice buttery flavor. Hello friends, the cake has cooled down. Make an excellent cake. Preheat the oven for 15 minutes. Only then bake your cake by keeping it on the center rack. Now that the cake is cool, it's easy to cut. Little difficulty comes in only because of those nuts. See how perfect it is looking. Moist and perfect color, well baked. If you have liked my recipe, then please give a like, share, and don't forget to press that bell icon. I will see you soon with another recipe. Till then, you take good care of yourself. Be at home. Be safe. Bye-bye.